Every great institution is built on the shoulders of visionaries, individuals who walk ahead of their time, who carry the weight of challenges and carve paths for others to follow. Today, we pause to acknowledge and honor three such stalwarts of the RV, whose relentless commitment, integrity, and leadership have shaped our journey. I request Advocate Sonal to begin with giving a brief narration about the two stalwarts of RV, namely late Shri P.B. Sawant, former Supreme Court Judge, and late Shri C.J. Sawant, former Advocate General of the state of Maharashtra.
Good evening. Ladies and gentlemen, today marks the unveiling of the portraits of three stalwarts of AAWI at the august hands of the Honorable the Chief Justice of India, Justice B.R. Gavai. Late Justice P.B. Sawant, former Judge, Supreme Court of India. Late C.J. Sawant, Senior Advocate and former Advocate General for the state of Maharashtra. And late Adhik Shirodkar, Senior Advocate. All members of AAWI who left their indelible imprint not only in the field of law, but also in the pursuit of an egalitarian society, protection of human rights, and social commitment. Justice P.B. Sawant's landmark judgments include S.R. Bommai, the Airwaves judgment, Alka Gadia, and of course Indira Sahni, which was recently considered by Chief Justice Gavai in State of Punjab versus Davinder Singh, while holding that the creamy layer principle is applicable also to scheduled castes and scheduled tribes. Justice Sawant graced the Press Council of India as its chairman for 2 terms, during which guidelines against publication of exit polls until the last vote had been polled were framed. Justice Sawant's bravery in standing firmly for the marginalized and in speaking truth to power, our legacy which inspires. Late Chandrakant J. Sawant, or CJ, as he was fondly called by the members of the bar, was an erudite personality, his interests ranging from literature to politics and philosophy to medicine. His designation as a senior advocate and appointment as the Advocate General for the state of Maharashtra belie the great struggle and hardship that he endured during his childhood. Legal prowess, vast knowledge garnered through constant reading, and phenomenal energy were his sterling qualities, and his reputation as a constitutional lawyer is formidable. The contributions of these eminent personalities are of enduring importance. The unveiling of their portraits is not only a respectful acknowledgement of these great forebears of the association, but also an endeavor to acquaint the present generation of lawyers with them and what they stood for. Thank you.
Thank you, Advocate Sonal. I now request our treasurer, Sri Rakesh Bhatkar sir, to give a brief narration about the third stalwart of RV, late Sri Adhik Shirodkar sir, senior advocate, a parliamentarian, and a photographer.
Namaskar and good evening. The Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan Gavai sir, and all the dignitaries. Today marks a truly historic occasion as we are celebrating 161 years, and that is the glorious years of the Advocates Association of Western India. It is also a matter of immense pride and joy that we are felicitating none other than the Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan Ramakrishna Gavai, a son of this soil and esteemed member of the Advocates Association of Western India. I just came to know that he was the elected member of our association and work as a committee member of the Advocates Association of India. As a part of this ceremony, we will also be unveiling a specially commissioned portrait of a truly remarkable individual, senior advocate, late Shri Adhik Shirodkar, whose multifaceted legacy continues to inspire all. I had the privilege of being introduced to Shirodkar sir through my senior advocate, late Shri Vijay Tulpule, who shared a close and enduring friendship with him. Through that association, I came to know that not just a brilliant lawyer, but a deeply warm and gracious human being. Mr. Shirodkar was one of the finest criminal lawyers of his generation, known for his sharp legal intellect, deep understanding of human nature, and an unwavering commitment to justice. Whether it was the Sri Krishna Commission, the Balasaheb Thackeray defamation case, or the Best Bakery trial, his courtroom craft was masterful. His elevation as a senior advocate was well-deserved recognition in the legal profession. His contributions were not limited to the courtroom. From 1996 to 2002, he served as a member of parliament and as a chairman of the Joint Parliamentary Committee. He played a key role in presenting the Prevention of Money Laundering Bill in Parliament, a milestone in India's legislative history. But what made Shirodkar sir truly exceptional was his ability to balance his professional excellence with his personal passions. He was a devoted nature and wildlife photographer who held 12 solo exhibitions in Mumbai, Goa, and Delhi, and had the rare honor of one of his photographs being featured on the cover of National Geography. And yet, beyond all these achievements, what we remember most fondly in his persona, Shirodkar sir was always approachable, always kind, and always smiling. He greeted everyone, whether a senior or a junior, with the same genuine warmth. That ever-smiling face, that gentle and affectionate presence left a lasting impression on all who met him. It is only fitting, then, that the portrait we unveil today captures that very same smile, that one we all remember by him. As we stand before it, we don't just see a great lawyer or a parliamentarian. We see a man who lived with dignity, humility, and joy. May his memory continue to guide us, and may this portrait forever remind us of the light he brought into our lives, both inside and outside the courtroom. Thank you so much. Thank you.
The legacy of these three stalwarts lives on in every courtroom we step into, every cause we defend, and every truth we speak. Their leaderships brought inclusivity and compassion into the core values of the AVI. Now, we will be unveiling the portraits of said three stalwarts, late Shri P.B. Sawant, late Shri C.J. Sawant, and late Shri Adhik Shirodkar, at the auspicious hands of the Chief Justice of India. I request Honorable Chief Justice of India, Shri Bhushan R. Gavai sir, and other dignitaries on the dais to kindly unveil the portraits.